Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect a soundbar to a Panasonic TV, and the most important thing before you start is to turn the power off to the TV and pull out the plug, because otherwise the soundbar won't connect properly if there's any power to the TV or the soundbar before you start. And I'm using a Phillips soundbar to connect to my TV, and this soundbar has a speaker at either end of the soundbar. And I'll be connecting with an HDMI cable which connects from the TV to the soundbar. The first step is to go around the back of the TV and to find the HDMI port, the HDMI 2 port that has ARC in brackets underneath it, and that's the port that we need to use to plug in the HDMI cable. So there we go, there's the HDMI cable being plugged into that HDMI 2 port. Okay, so the next step then is to plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the soundbar and put the soundbar down in front of the TV. Now the final step is to get the power cord for the soundbar and plug that power cord into the soundbar. Okay, there goes the power cord getting plugged into the soundbar. Now plug the other end of the power cord into the power. Once that's plugged in, it's time to turn the power onto the TV and turn the power onto the soundbar, and everything should just work. Now if the soundbar is not working, it does come with a remote control, and you can use that to turn the soundbar on if you're not getting any sound at all through your soundbar. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.